Hello lovely people, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful no-bake white chocolate and strawberry tart. It's such an easy recipe and it looks like I stood there for hours making it, which I didn't. To make the base, you're going to need 150 grams of digestive biscuits and you just want to crush them like you would someone's spirit when you're hungry. All I can say is never mess with me when I'm hungry. And to that you're going to add 75 grams of melted butter. And you just want to mix that until the mixture resembles something like wet sand. Pour the crumbs into the tart tin, which has an easy removable base. This will make removing the tart from the base and serving it later on super easy. Press the crumbs into the base, beginning with the edges and then the bottom. If you are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you like this recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already done so, turn on the notification bell so you know about all the new videos as soon as they are uploaded. Now we're just going to refrigerate the tart base until we are ready to fill it. For the strawberry coulis, you just want to combine 100 grams of strawberries, 1 tablespoon of water, and 2 tablespoons of sugar in a saucepan. Cook this on a high heat for around 4 to 5 minutes until the strawberries break down and the mixture thickens. You can always switch the strawberries for raspberries, blueberries, or even mangoes. The beauty of this tart is that most fruits will complement the white chocolate, just like the berries. So this is a good time to check which fruits you may have in the fridge. And I also use frozen fruit, but yes, you can use fresh or frozen. Again, that's entirely up to you. When the mixture thickens, turn off the heat and puree the strawberries in a food processor or a blender until smooth. Strain the liquid by passing this through a sieve. Discard of any of the seeds and set the coulis aside to cool. If you have any recipe suggestions or you have some ingredients in your fridge and you want to use them up, then please drop me a comment, or you can also email me and I'll try incorporating those suggestions into my next video. I'd love to hear your feedback, so definitely drop me a line. For the white chocolate tart filling, you're going to need 300 grams of white chocolate, which I've chopped into teeny tiny pieces. And to that I'm going to add 12 grams of butter and 125 milliliters of heavy cream. You just want to heat this in the microwave at 20-second bursts until smooth. If you don't have a microwave or prefer not to use one, place the cream in a saucepan and bring it to a simmer, being careful not to let it boil. Place the chocolate and the butter in a bowl and top it with the heated cream. Cover the chocolate with a plate and let it sit for around 5 minutes. Then remove the lid and mix until smooth. Both ways work well, so whatever works for you, right? In the end, the mixture will look something like this. You can always change up the recipe and use milk or dark chocolate as well. For milk chocolate, the ratio is 400 grams of chocolate to 200 milliliters of cream. And for dark chocolate, it's 300 grams dark chocolate to 300 milliliters of cream. Now remove the base from the fridge and pour the filling into the base. I know it looks quite liquidy now, but after setting it in the fridge for a few hours, it will be absolutely perfect. Now you just want to lightly shake the base to release any air bubbles, and if it's cold outside, which it isn't these days, but if it is cold outside, then before you even pop any of the air bubbles, it may already begin to set. So just use a toothpick to pop any air bubbles that may come to the surface. Ah, it already looks so good. I can't wait to serve this for dessert. Now you just want to dollop the coulis over the filling and just save a few tablespoons of the strawberry coulis just for when you want to serve the dessert. Now use a toothpick to make swirls in the coulis, but be careful not to make too many swirls because we don't want to ruin that effect, do we? As you can see, at this point I went quite crazy and I think someone should have taken the toothpick from me by now. But that actually looks pretty good, don't you think? Now we're just going to pop this in the fridge for around 3 to 4 hours to set. And here it is. This is what it looked like once it's set. Slice and serve. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Much love and have a good one. Bye!